It's October 2nd, 2016. It's getting close to 6 p.m., so I'm going to run through this kind of fast because I still got a couple more collections to do before sundown. So I'm here at a hop plant. It's kind of hard to tell. I'm actually in a thicket of willows. The creek is right there, and my backpack and stuff are kind of over there. So I just crossed over to grab some rhizome, and now just kind of assessing the situation here, and it looks like there are nodes, rhizomes kind of all over the place. So here's a spot where there's 1, 2 coming out. I think this one is from a previous year. Here there's a couple, 1, 2, looks like 3 big ones coming out. And over there it looks like there's over there like 2 or 3, and then over here like 5 or 6 or something. And there's probably more that I'm not seeing. But I'm thinking for logistics and for conservation, I'm going to take from here because there's only 1, 2 living binds. This is a female plant, so I need to. I'm considering the fact that the cones are still. Well, the cones don't really have seeds right now, so I don't think I'm going to be impacting it too much by taking a rhizome. And this not only is the closest to me and easy to access, but also this right here, but also I think it's going to be doing the least amount of damage. It looks like, I'm guessing that is probably the epicenter, sort of where the most binds are coming out, and there's probably other, like I said, that I can't see, but I think this is the furthest from the sort of the epicenter or the densest area, like where the mother, and so I'm gonna take from here. Okay. So I'm gonna dig up, kind of clear out the area a little bit. Looks like you can see places where a couple more rhizomes were coming out before. Just gonna clear this area out. Start digging with my hands, kind of alongside of it. Get up underneath. Encountering some roots here. So hopefully that's still, camera's still pointing to the right place. Hopefully. So I'm starting to feel, yes, rhizome. Dig underneath here. And right. Okay. Starting to get somewhere. Ooh, and you can kind of see some buds already on this one. And not sure if this would be better with digging tools because I'm concerned about, damaging the rhizomes and digging. I feel like my hands are probably a lot less damaging. Wow, this sucker isn't deep though. Feels like it's got some decent roots in here. So Seeing several. Oh, I accidentally knocked one of the buds off, which is probably not the end of the world, but not ideal either. So, thinking at this point I'm gonna switch to the knife and just make a cut. Because I think I'm risking disturbing this area a little too more. So I'm just gonna cut here. And kind of sever these. I'll leave the vines as they are. Unfortunately, this is gonna kill the vine. But it's only part of this plant, it's not the whole plant. So I'm going here to the knife, cutting there's my rhizome. You can see the little buds on it, 1, 2, 3. So I got a few nodes here. Probably once I wash it off it'll reveal more, but anyway, and this is what's left, so I'm going to leave this over to the creek here and wash off this rhizome. This beautiful, beautiful piece of plant that can reproduce. I'm just going to kind of gently kind of revealed a few more. Oh, there's a lot of nodes, a lot of buds on here. This is exciting. This is good. A lot of buds.